finance business owners. Today I'm showing you how to use a payment portal in GoHighLevel so you can create lifetime subscriptions, limited time subscriptions, one-time payment links, invoices, recurring invoices, and my favorite, in-house financing solutions so that it's easy to close deals for just about any price point. Let's get straight into this video. You can currently send out invoices directly on GoHighLevel using your authorized.net and Ecrypt. And then you can also offer in-house financing. You're not going to get paid the full amount, but you can create a subscription for people at a limited time. So it pulls out the money, $100 a month. You know what I mean?
So this is what I don't understand. How do I send them? I create a new payment link and I send that to them that way. Is that how I do this?
Mm-hmm.
And my Ecrypt is attached to this?
Exactly. So let's go back really quick. I'll walk you through it.
All right. So when I want to send somebody a payment link, I go, so if I want to, so when I'm on a consultation, get everything done, they're good to go. I go to payments and then just create link.
No. So first we're going to do is you can create a product.
Well, where do I do that?
So I'm going to create a product here.
Okay.
Create products. Create product. Just put test on here for now. Can I walk you through it just so I can save some time here? Can I control your screen?
Yeah, you need me to let you control it?
Yes, please. This way I can make sure I show you exactly how to do this. It's recorded as well too, and then I got to get working on this custom link for you. And I still have a couple calls. So, all right, am I able to control this? All right, so this is first thing you got to do is create a product over here. So we're calling it test. We're gonna scroll down. You can add a description onto here, test, whatever. We're gonna scroll down here all the way to the bottom where it says pricing over here. There we go. So now we have a couple options here. So we first one-time payment. Hey, my product price is $1,000. Okay, that's how you would create it. The other option would be an in-house financing option. So hey, it's $1,000, but don't worry, you're only going to pay $100 a month for the next 11 months because an additional month for interest. So call some subscription or in-house financing. And you can always change out the pricing. So this is going to be, how do I close that out? This is going to be 100, and this is going to be 11, and it's going to be monthly. Can I close this clear out?
Yeah, I don't know why that even come up.
There we go. All right, so this is in-house financing, paying $100 for the next 11 months.
Yeah, no, we ain't
Option
doing
number
that.
two.
That's way too damn long.
Well, you can always just change it. I'm just trying to show you how to use
Yeah,
it.
yeah, sure.
The next one over here would be a setup plus financing. Setup plus in-house financing. Here, so we can put this same thing. Let's say it's $100 for the next 11 months. But let's say we also want to charge a setup fee of like 500 as an example. So these are my products and these are the prices that we have for it. Another thing too is that if you want to create a subscription that goes on literally forever, subscription, lifetime, call it. This would just be like for, let's say you're doing a membership group or something. This would be $100, but just make sure the number of payments is blank. Now you're gonna press save. Once you press save, you're gonna go back to pricing. You're gonna click on the individual pricing. I don't know why it makes you do it like this. And you're gonna change out to digital product. And then go to the next one. Digital product. You might have to press save on each one. You can add like a logo on there too.
What is? I don't understand what we're having to do.
We're just moving from physical product to digital product. That's for the receipt.
Okay.
Statement indicator. Wait a second. every All right, cool. So yeah, we're all just changing it out to just digital products on each one of them. Just for the statement indicator here. Go to the bottom. Okay, digital products. Okay, so now we added the product. Now we mark them all as digital products. Now what we do is we can take payments in a couple ways. So first, my favorite is just a simple payment link. So create a payment link here. We're going to offer this client setup plus in-house financing. This is all set here. I like to add a phone number onto here as well too. We're going to press save, copy. You can directly send it over to one of your leads here. For example, hey, send this over to Jameson over here, or send it over to me. Or what you can also do is copy a link, copy this link over here, open up another tab, paste into there. Oops. Paste that into there, and boom. You can start paying, you can start charging people right now. And what this will come up with is it's a $500 setup fee, as you can see over here, and it's $100 a month. So due today will be that 600 bucks. Does that kind of make sense so far?
Okay, yeah.
The
And
other
then
couple,
but where does it go? Where how? So on this, it's okay. Setup fee, $100 a month. Where does it break it down for how many months and all that?
so this doesn't show how many months unless you add it on to here over here. So you would want to add it to charge your for future payments in accordance with the terms. You can always change the subscription. I would add it out on here and also the service agreement as well too, because it's not going to show that it's limited by a certain amount of months, X amount of months for some reason. We can put that in the actual product description though, and that'll show the amount of months. If I go back over here too, so this one was for setup plus financing. Save that and go back here. The next one we can do one-time payment. Boom, just like that. Again, I like to add a phone number, save it here. Hey, credit per service is $1,000. Or hey, in order to help you get funding, help you acquire 100K of funding, pay me $1,000, 10,000 bucks up front. Boom, nice and simple.
Yeah, I got to figure out some funding stuff. I have a guy that is wanting funding that I think he's a credit repair client. I think I can get it for him. I just don't have anything set up to do funding.
I can help you out with that. I got another partner that I can network you with. But let me
Well,
handle this payment stuff first.
yeah.
One thing at a
That's
time. Just don't make me forget about that.
no. Yeah.
So this is subscription, lifetime. Now this is going to be the for the full, hey, $1,000. Oh no, this is my bad. This is the subscription that's going to be out here for a lifetime. So $100 a month until they cancel, pretty much.
But there's
And
no setup for that though, correct?
there's no setup on that one now.
Okay. I just pay
I'm just
$100.
showing you the options, how to
Right.
adjust it. And then the last one over here would be the full, just in-house financing, full, no setup fee. So waive setup for in-house financing. Save this. And now this would be the $100 a month for the 11 months. The only way, again, for that to be able to show as in, hey, it's limited to 11 months would be by you editing this description over here. Okay.
Okay.
A couple other ways to take payments because we got this recorded, so it's going to help you a lot. And I'll probably just share this under the database. Everybody has it as well, too. The other option over here is to create subscriptions directly. I don't really use this. What I usually use, I go over to Invoices, because this will allow you to directly charge somebody one time. But there's a reason why I'm showing you this. Because once you charge them one time, then you have the card on file, and then you add the subscription if you want to. So, for example, let's say I'm gonna pull up my name on here, Dev. Dev at the Project Alpha. This is me. So let's say I'm your client over here. Hey, Blade, it's 1,000 bucks setup fee and $100 a month. Okay, but guess what? We're gonna waive your first month of membership price. So all you're gonna owe me today is only 1,000 bucks. But next month, as in May, June, July 1st, oh, holiday. On July 1st, it's gonna charge you 100 bucks. So how you're gonna create that is first, product over here. As you can see, it has the products already here. For example, let's use this one, the one-time payment of 1,000 bucks. Due date, whoops, today is the 1st. Hey, Blade, you only got 72 hours to make this payment for action taker's price. One-time payment. Save this. Just pretend like you're sending it over to me. Oops, my contact details name should not be empty. Oh, that's why my contact is not really set up. But Blade, Torado. And that's all we would need, right? Save. Copy, mark sent. Now it automatically emails, texts it over to me. And now, so I look into the contact here. Automatically, it should have texted me it. Let me double check. I don't think it texted me actually. Go here. I think I just saved it. I don't think I sent it. So copy link. There you go, email. So I press resend, and now I'm sending it directly to the email just like that. And then what I can also do is I can grab this, I can press copy link, I can throw it onto here. And this would be the invoice. So now after I pay this, let's say, boom, put my card in, I paid you 1,000 bucks. Now for month 2, to add that monthly subscription, as you can see over here, is sent over the whatchamacallit, is sent over the invoice over here. So you can click the invoice over here, taken directly to pay. But then let's say that they pay, the card is on file now. What you're then going to want to do is go over here, actions, create subscription, create the subscription. Right now it's June 1st. Let's say they pay the June 1st. Your subscription will start on July 1st. Boom, subscription, lifetime, 100 bucks. Select the payment method that they use on here, and then it'll automatically add the subscription for July 1st. Does that kind of make sense there?
Yeah, somewhat.
Okay, we got the meeting recorded as well too, so it should help a lot. Why is it sending out this to us? Contact client portal. Oh, because we are on your thingy. All right, I'm just changing this up so it doesn't notify me every single time. I want to make it so it just notifies particular user, select user, Danielle and the phone. Boom. Double check, make sure there's no other.
Yeah, so and is that where you was talking about the other day that y'all be going in and adding in multiple messages and all that? Y'all do all that, correct?
Yeah, we will do this for you.
And I guess y'all are gonna do this. When is that gonna go into effect?
So this is already set up over here for appointment reminders. Boom. All right. I was just making sure we don't get notified for it every time.
Yeah.
All right. For starters, does this payment make sense over here?
Yes.
All right, cool. So now you can charge people directly onto here. Again, there's multiple different ways of doing it. You can also do everything directly through the actual contact card over here. Add card on file, charge now, create an invoice directly through here. Beautiful.
If I can create a new invoice every time directly with them once I have them pulled up.
I would just recommend that. That's probably usually the easiest and cleanest way of doing it.
Right. Yeah, that way. So they'll automatically be in my contacts, I presume, because that's where they're going to go through to schedule the consultation and all that, correct?
Exactly.
And then I just go click on that contact and go over there to the money, create an invoice for what I'm charging them and all that.
Exactly. That's right.
Okay.